up, folks? Welcome back to Valvetronic Designs here. I've got a nice 440i hat above me, and this car has got the best rear section on the market. This is our F chassis valved rear section. It fits on your F30s, your F22s, your F32s, and your F36s as well. It's the ultimate exhaust experience for these cars because you get great flexibility with the valve. You can use your OEM valve hardware, and then when the valves are closed, it sounds like it's bone stock. So this car is completely stock downpipe, stock midsection, no tune, and the guy just picked it up, so congratulations to him. In this video, we're going to show you guys, if you just did this one modification, which we feel is the best modification, this is exactly how the car is going to sound. We're going to do revs, startup, flyby, hard accelerations. We're going to do a launch control, GoPro on the rear bumper, show you all the sound experiences so that when it's time for you to choose the best exhaust for your F chassis vehicle, you get the best setup. Let's do it. Folks, we're inside the 440i right now. Listen, B58 is such a potent platform, but having the exhaust setup be very dynamic with this setup, this is the perfect first mod you do, because then you're gonna do a secondary cat delete, or you wanna do a downpipe or something. This system always gives you the flexibility. We're gonna link below another video which has a BMW M240i, which is tune, downpipe, has a dyno and midpipe, and then the Valvetronic Axleback, same as on this car. And the best part about this exhaust for the rear section is you have huge flexibility to do your other mods, downpipe, tune, secondary cat delete, whatever you want, and the car always remains not compromised. Like right now in the car, I got the valves open, Sport Plus. You get nice sound in here. It's definitely nicer and more aggressive than factory, but if you close the valve and you go back into comfort, you'd never know this car is modified. So that's the experience we like to deliver at Valvetronic. There's no compromises with this exhaust. That's why it is the best solution and the perfect first mod for you.
nice overrun.
Nice overrun there. Sport Plus, no tune, just the rear section installed. Working at the car wash. Alright guys, to finish up this video, on my right we have the 440i B58 bone stock with just the Valvetronic rear section. That's it, no other mods. On my left here, we have Brandon's car. It's downpipe and it has a dynon midsection, which basically means no secondary cat, no mid resonator, and then it has the Valvetronic F chassis rear section. So bone stock with just the exhaust, and then this car has a tune, and then pretty much full straight pipe with the valves. We're gonna show you guys with the valves open, the difference, and also with the valves closed, the difference as well. What's really cool about this exhaust on both cars is that whether it's opened or closed, you get huge dynamic flexibility, and the system works so well even when you have free flow components installed. Take a listen.